Have you ever felt like everything in your life was going smoothly, only to suddenly face a situation that made you stop and question what was really going on? Have you experienced delays, rejections, or that sudden feeling of discomfort that seemed to hold you back from moving forward? Or perhaps, in moments of uncertainty, you felt an inexplicable urge to turn to Allah more deeply, as though He Himself was pulling you closer, guiding you through a path you hadn't expected. It's no coincidence. Allah, in His infinite wisdom, constantly protects us, sometimes from dangers we don't even see. In this video, we'll explore 4 powerful signs that Allah is protecting you from a trap you can't see. Signs that serve as divine warnings, guiding you away from harm and keeping you on a path of safety and righteousness. Each of these signs might seem subtle, almost invisible in the hustle and bustle of life, but they are Allah's way of safeguarding you, even when you're unaware of the dangers lurking ahead. You might wonder, how can I be sure? The answer lies in the beauty of Allah's mercy and how He orchestrates the events of our lives. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding of how Allah's protection is at work in your life, and how recognizing these signs can lead you to a stronger connection with Him. Remember, when Allah protects you, no harm can ever truly reach you. 1. Allah removes certain people from your life. Sometimes in life, you meet people who feel like a blessing. They make you smile, make you feel seen, and you begin to believe that they are meant to be part of your life forever. But then something strange happens. They change, they become distant, or they simply leave without any explanation. You're left hurt, confused, and asking yourself, why did this happen? What you don't realize at that moment is that Allah, in His infinite wisdom, might be protecting you from something harmful that you cannot see. It can feel like a loss when someone walks out of your life. Whether it was a friend, a relationship, a colleague, or even a family member, their absence leaves a hole in your heart. But sometimes what feels like a rejection is actually a divine redirection. Allah, who is closer to you than your own jugular vein, knows what you do not know. He knows the hearts of people, their intentions, their hidden flaws, and the dangers they might bring into your life. You may not see their darkness, but He does. You may not hear their secret conversations, but He hears them all. So He takes them away, not to punish you, but to shield you. How many times have people prayed for something or someone with all their heart, only to be denied that request? They cried in frustration and disappointment. But later, when they looked back, they realized that the denial was actually one of the greatest blessings in disguise. That person they thought they needed was in fact a test. That relationship they thought would bring peace was actually filled with emotional traps. That friend they trusted blindly was never loyal in the first place, but they were too close to see it. Allah, however, saw it all and gently removed them, even when you cried to keep them. The pain of losing someone can often feel heavier than any physical wound, but behind that pain is a beautiful mercy. You didn't lose them, you were rescued. When Allah takes someone out of your life, especially when you are trying to live in a way that pleases Him, you can be sure that it's not by accident. He removes it to replace it. He subtracts to add. He clears the path so you can move forward without carrying unnecessary weight. He is teaching you to depend only on Him and not on the temporary people around you. Don't chase after those who walked away. Don't beg for what Allah has taken. Trust the process. Trust that your silent prayers for peace were heard. Maybe you asked Allah for protection, and this was His answer. Maybe you asked Him to guide you, and this was how He started. Maybe you asked Him to bring you closer, and He had to take someone far from Him, away from you. 2. Delays and rejections happen, again and again. Life can often feel like a never-ending cycle of delays and rejections. You might have dreams, goals, or aspirations that you are eager to achieve, and it feels like you are doing everything right. You work hard, you plan, you pray, yet every door seems to close in your face. The job you wanted, the promotion you expected, the relationship you thought would last, all of it slips through your fingers, despite your best efforts. It's as if the universe is conspiring against you. But what if, instead of seeing these delays and rejections as setbacks, you understood them as the protection of Allah? You might feel rejected when things don't go as planned, but Allah, in His infinite mercy, is always at work behind the scenes. Every time you face a delay, every time your heart aches with disappointment, it's Allah telling you, "Not yet, my dear servant." The reason you don't get what you want is not that you aren't worthy, but because Allah knows that it's not the right time, the right person, or the right situation for you. What you see as a rejection is often a divine redirection to something better. It's natural to feel frustrated when things don't move forward as quickly as we want. Our desires often push us to take immediate action, to find a way to make things work, and to strive relentlessly toward our goals. But what we fail to see is that sometimes the universe is slowing us down to protect us. Every delay is a chance for growth, reflection, and a deeper trust in Allah's plan for us. There is wisdom in waiting, even when it feels unbearable. Through these tests, Allah is preparing you for something greater than what you could ever have imagined. Perhaps the job you were rejected from would have led you to toxic work environments, or the relationship that ended wasn't the one you were meant to have. Allah sees all the things you cannot, the risks, the harms, the challenges that would have come your way. He is protecting you from situations and outcomes that would harm your heart, soul, or well-being. At times, we struggle to understand why things are delayed. Our patience is tested, and we start to question why it's taking so long for our dreams to come true. But Allah knows that in the waiting, there is growth. He knows that in the moments of rejection, we build resilience. Our faith becomes stronger, our trust in Him deepens, and we learn to appreciate His timing. He is teaching us that it's not about rushing to get what we want, but about trusting that He will give us what we need at the perfect moment. So, when you feel disappointed, discouraged, or heartbroken by a rejection or delay, take a moment to pause, breathe, reflect. Understand that this is not a punishment, it's protection. Allah is saving you from what you cannot see. The things you think you need are not always what's best for you, and the things you desire may not be what's meant for you. Trust that Allah's plans for you are far greater than anything you could ever imagine. So, don't lose hope when things don't go your way. Keep striving, keep praying, and keep trusting in the perfect timing of Allah. He will bring what's meant for you at the right moment, a moment that will be far more fulfilling than anything you could have planned on your own. 3. Sudden gut feeling or inner discomfort. Have you ever experienced that sudden, inexplicable feeling of discomfort, even though everything on the surface seems perfectly fine? You're about to make a decision, maybe take a step forward in life, but there's this deep, uneasy feeling in your chest, an inner voice telling you, this doesn't feel right. It's not fear and it's not anxiety. It's a gut feeling. Something inside you knows that the path ahead might not be as safe as you think. This feeling, while mysterious and hard to explain, could be one of the most powerful signs that Allah is protecting you from a hidden danger, a trap you cannot see. This gut feeling or inner discomfort is often referred to as intuition or a sixth sense. It's a subtle form of guidance, a signal from within that something is not aligned with your best interests. It's that sudden sensation of unease when you're around certain people, when you're about to make a decision that doesn't sit right with you, or when you find yourself in an unfamiliar situation where something just feels off. Sometimes, this feeling is so strong that it compels you to stop what you're doing, rethink your actions, or walk away from a potentially harmful situation. While the world around you may be moving at a fast pace, your inner compass, this gut feeling, urges you to slow down and reassess. Allah, in His infinite wisdom, has granted each of us an inner sense of direction. This is part of His mercy, a form of protection that helps guide us when we may not be able to fully understand the danger we are in. It's as if Allah is speaking to your heart directly, guiding you away from harm, even when your mind cannot see it. In moments of confusion or doubt, this inner discomfort can be a powerful reminder that Allah is watching over you, keeping you safe from traps and situations that could lead to harm. Surely, Allah is with those who fear Him and those who are good in their deeds. When you feel that sudden discomfort or unease, it could very well be a manifestation of Allah's protection, a warning that something isn't right. It's not a coincidence. It's Allah's mercy at work, helping you avoid something that could harm you in ways you cannot even imagine. These gut feelings often arise when we are about to make decisions that are not in line with Allah's plan for us. For example, you might be in a relationship that seems to promise happiness, but deep down, you feel a sense of dread or uncertainty. Or perhaps you are considering a business opportunity that looks too good to pass up, but something inside you tells you to wait, to think twice. In such moments, the discomfort you feel is not just a random emotional reaction. It is a sign from Allah, nudging you to be cautious and to seek guidance from Him. It's important to understand that this inner discomfort is not always a sign of something overtly dangerous. Sometimes, it's Allah's way of telling us to be patient, to wait for more information, or to seek clarity before proceeding. In these moments, you may feel that your mind is at odds with your heart. Your mind may tell you that everything looks fine, that the opportunity before you is perfect, while your heart tells you to hold back. Trust that inner voice, for it is Allah's way of protecting you, guiding you towards what is best for you in the long run. So, the next time you feel that sudden gut feeling or inner discomfort, don't ignore it. It could be the protective hand of Allah guiding you away from a situation that is not meant for you. Listen to it, trust it, and rely on Allah's wisdom. He knows what is best for you, and He will always guide you toward what is good for you, even when you can't see it yet. 4. You're being pulled closer to Allah in a strange way. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where, despite the chaos and confusion around you, you feel a sudden pull towards Allah? It's as if, out of nowhere, something within you desires to seek more knowledge, to pray more sincerely, or to read the Quran with more focus and understanding. This feeling can seem strange, especially if you've never experienced such a strong pull towards faith before. It may happen at a time when everything in your life feels uncertain or when you least expect it. But it's an undeniable sign that Allah is protecting you in ways you cannot fully understand. When we are going through life, it's easy to become distracted by worldly desires, struggles, and the noise of daily existence. We can lose sight of our connection with Allah, focusing instead on our jobs, relationships, or ambitions. But at certain moments, we find ourselves drawn back to Him, as if our hearts are yearning for His guidance. It's as though, even in the midst of our distractions, Allah is gently pulling us closer to Him, reminding us of our true purpose in this life. This feeling of being pulled towards Allah may come during moments of difficulty, or even at times when everything seems to be going well. It's a reminder that, no matter where we are in life, we belong to Him, and He will always guide us back to Him when we need it most. Allah is always near to us, and He knows what's in our hearts. When we are lost, uncertain, or confused, Allah does not leave us to wander aimlessly. Instead, He pulls us closer to Him, offering us His mercy and guidance. This pull can manifest in many ways: a sudden desire to pray when you haven't prayed in a while, an urge to read the Quran when you didn't think you needed it, or a longing to seek forgiveness when you feel distant from Allah. These moments of spiritual awakening are not coincidental. They are signs of Allah's mercy, showing us that He is always close to us, even when we feel far from Him. Sometimes this pull towards Allah can be unexpected. You may find yourself feeling a sudden urge to make dua, supplication, for guidance, or a deep sense of longing to understand the Quran more deeply. These are not random emotions. These feelings are signs that Allah is working within your heart, drawing you closer to Him. It's as if He is reminding you of the importance of turning to Him for everything, for guidance, for comfort, for peace. Even when you feel lost or uncertain, Allah's pull is always there, ready to guide you back to the source of all peace. It's important to recognize that this pull towards Allah is not something to be taken lightly. It is a gift from Him, a sign of His love and mercy. When we feel this longing, it's a moment to pause and reflect, to turn towards Allah in gratitude and supplication. Allah is inviting us to strengthen our relationship with Him, to seek His forgiveness, and to embrace His guidance more fully. When you feel that strange, sudden pull towards Allah, embrace it. Don't ignore it or push it aside. It's a sign that Allah is protecting you from the traps of this world, guiding you towards a better, more peaceful state of being. Seek Him in those moments, ask for His forgiveness, and strengthen your connection with Him. In doing so, you will find that your life becomes filled with more clarity, more peace, and more purpose. Allah's guidance is the greatest protection you can have, and when you feel that pull towards Him, trust that it is His way of keeping you safe. As we've seen, Allah's protection is far more profound than we often realize. Through delays, sudden gut feelings, and the moments that pull us closer to Him, He is always guiding us, keeping us safe from harm, and leading us towards what's best for us, even when we don't understand the bigger picture. Next time you face a setback or experience a sense of unease, remember that Allah might be protecting you from a trap you can't see. Trust in His wisdom, embrace His guidance, and continue to seek His mercy and protection in everything you do. If you found this video helpful and insightful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Deen Xplorers. Stay connected with us for more content that brings you closer to understanding Allah's signs in your life. Until next time, stay blessed and keep seeking His protection and guidance.